Yeah.
YouTube will tell you if you're being an asshole in comment. The website announced a new tool that will send you a notification and potentially lock you out for 24 hours if you leave an abusive comment. So what? They're searching for certain terms, I guess, that are aggressive.
Yeah.
YouTube wants you to stop being mean as YouTube comments continue to serve as a place to harbor negativity. Definitely. It will soon ping you if a comment left on a video is deemed too abusive based on a website's community guidelines. If a user receives a notification and continues to post abusive comments, YouTube will muzzle them with a ban from commenting for 24 hours. You know what this is about? They know damn well that if they want to keep people producing content on the platform, you got to protect those people.
Yeah, less bullying.
And if people are having negative experience, negative emotion, and they're not posting as much, you have less inventory of videos. So you got to go in there and do everything in your power to continue to encourage those people to keep doing that, because it's ultimately the content is what drives the platform.
But also less of a shouting match in the comment section as well, right?
So for the end user, for the customer, for the viewer, sure.
Yeah.
Maybe less negativity for them as well.
Yeah.
But who draws the line? Who watches the Watchmen? You know? Who decides
what are these words here?
All of a sudden, Will's just writing like, "Hey, love your show." It's like abuse.
Yeah.
Will's like, "What?" You know, I was being nice. Or Will's just like, "Hey, I just wanted to point something." Ban.
Yeah.
Hey, I just want later.
I tipped someone. Why am I banned?
Here's a quote from YouTube. Our goal is to both protect creators from users trying to negatively impact the community via comments, as well as offer more transparency to users who may have had comments removed to policy violations, and hopefully help them understand our community guidelines. It's going to be all automated. Maybe it'll be able to crack down on those spam accounts, because those things are rampant. Rampant. Now, typically they're not abusive in what they say. They often just copy some other comment, and it's like 7 or 10 or whatever with the scandalous profile pictures. It's amazing. Even a company like Google still can't really fix that.
There's no hope.
We've been working on improving our automated detection systems and machine learning models to identify and remove spam. The company said in a post, as spammers change their tactics, our machine learning models are continuously improving to better detect. No, they're not. Not yet, they're not.
It hasn't gotten better?
No, not even.
Really?
No, man, it's still there. Spam bots are still crushing on YouTube. I don't know what they got to do. They got to figure it out. Nobody likes it. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.